Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a sticky floating sidebar in your WordPress website using the WP Sticky Sidebar plugin. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugin section. Click on Add New to add a new plugin to your website. In the search bar, type WP Sticky Sidebar to find the plugin we need. Click on Install Now. After install, go to Settings WP Sticky Sidebar and change Sticky Class or ID to your sidebar class. You can also adjust the additional top and bottom margin according to your design needs. Disabling the sticky option is also available. You can specify the screen width size where you want to disable it. We can also use the sidebar ID instead of the class name. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and enjoyable. To stay updated with more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I look forward to bringing you more exciting tutorials in the future. Thank you.